Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute, bright and beautiful blooming heart crochet coaster. It's a very simple and easy project, a perfect Valentine's Day gift idea, and I'm going to show you how to work this cute crochet coaster. So if you want a free written pattern of this crochet coaster, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. The link is available in the description. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So we are going to work this beautiful blooming heart crochet coaster. So I'm going to show you how to work this coaster. So I'm using sugar and cream cotton yarn for working this coaster because I like the finish of this coaster because the yarn is thick and cotton, so it already looks like a blocked piece once it's finished. So I recommend this yarn or equal variant for working this coaster because the final output is really good when you work with this yarn. But you're not restricted to this. You can use any yarn for of your choice, and I'm gonna use 3.5 millimeter crochet hook and scissors. And starting with color 1, I'm gonna work a magic ring. Then on the magic ring I'm going to work a chain 3, and we are going to work 3 triple crochet. So we are working our center heart here. So we're going to work 3 triple crochet. This is our first triple crochet, and then work 2 more triple crochets. So once you have worked 3 triple crochet, work 3 double crochets on the magic ring. That's number 1, 2 and 3. So once you have worked 3 double crochets, work a chain 1 and then work 1 triple crochet. So this will be our tip of the heart. Then we're going to repeat everything for the other side of heart. Work 1 chain and then work 3 double crochets, 3 triple crochets. So first work 3 double crochets and then work 3 triple crochets. So once that is done, work a chain 3 and work a slip stitch on the magic ring, and then you can tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. And once you tighten the magic ring, you should see your heart. This is going to be the center of our coaster. Now we'll be changing our yarn color to cream and then work chain 4. This chain 4 is considered as our first triple crochet, and once you work chain 4 you can just knot the new color yarn with the old color yarn, or color 2 with the color 1, so that it doesn't unravel, and then work one more triple crochet on the center of the magic ring or center of the heart. So we're going to start with the center of the heart. We have worked chain 4 and triple crochet, which means we have 2 triple crochets worked on the center, and then on the chain 3 of the heart we are going to work 1 triple crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet stitches. So we're going to work all these 3 stitches on the chain 3 of the heart. So next is 1 double crochet and then 1 half double crochet. And once we have worked this, we are going to work on the back loops of each stitch of the heart until we reach the chain 3 on the other side. So we are going to work only on the back loop. So on the back loop of next 3 stitches we are going to work 1 single crochet stitch on each stitch on the back loop of next 3 stitches. And then in the back loop of next 2 stitches we are going to work 1 half double crochet each. So that's our first half double crochet stitch, and in the back loop of next stitch work 1 half double crochet, and then in the next 2 stitches on the back loop of next 2 stitches we are going to work 1 double crochet on each stitch, and in the back loop of the next stitch we are going to work 2 single crochets. So these 2 single crochets are worked in the back loop of next stitch. So why we work in this way is that we're going to form a circle or round, and once you work 2 single crochet on the next stitch we are going to work 1 double crochet each on the back loop of next 2 stitches, and once that is done we are going to work 1 half double crochet each on the back loop of next 2 stitches. That's my first half double crochet, and then work 1 half double crochet on the back loop of next stitch, and then work 1 single crochet each on the back loop of next 3 stitches. Work 1 single crochet each on the back loop of next 3 stitches. Once this is done, on the chain 3 space work 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 triple crochet, and once that is done we are going to work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 4, which is our first triple crochet, to close this round 2. Now we are going to work round 3. For that I'm going to work a chain 2, which is considered as my first half double crochet stitch, and then I'm going to work 1 more half double crochet stitch on the same stitch. That means I have worked 2 half double crochet stitches on this stitch, and then work 1 half double crochet on the next stitch. So we are going to work 2 half double crochet in one stitch and 1 half double crochet on the next stitch, and then we are going to repeat this around. So I'm going to work 2 half double crochet on the next stitch, and on the next stitch I will work 1 half double crochet. So work this pattern around, and then once that is done, work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 2 to close this round 3. So at the end of round 3 we are going to have 36 stitches. So continue working 2 half double crochet in one stitch and 1 half double crochet on the next stitch around, and once done, work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 2. So now our round 3 is done. So I'm going to change my yarn color to the color that we worked for the heart, which I call it as color 1. Now work a chain 1. This chain 1 does not count as a stitch, and work 1 single crochet on the same stitch, and then work 1 single crochet on next 2 stitches. Work 1 single crochet on next 2 stitches. And work 2 single crochet on the next stitch. So I'm going to work 2 single crochet on the next stitch. So we're going to work 1 single crochet each on 3 stitches and 2 single crochet on the next stitch around. So we're going to repeat this pattern around, that is working 1 single crochet each on 3 stitches and 2 single crochet on the next stitch around, and once that is done, work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet to close this round 4. So at the end of round 4 we should have 45 stitches. So once this round is done, we're going to work a slip stitch on top of our starting single crochet stitch, which is right there. So now I'm going to complete this round 4 by working a slip stitch on top of my starting single crochet stitch. So now I'm going to change my yarn color to color 2, which is the cream color, and we are going to work our round 5. So I'm going to work a chain 1, which does not count as a stitch, and then I'm going to work 1 single crochet on same stitch. And once that is done, I'm going to work 1 single crochet on each stitch around. So we are not going to increment any stitches in this round. We are just going to work 1 single crochet on each stitch around, and once that is done, I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting single crochet to close this round 5. So at the end of round 5 we are still going to have 45 stitches. So now once the round 5 is done, I'm going to change my yarn color to hot pink, and we are going to work our last round here. I'm going to create a shell border. So for that I'm working a chain 1, which does not count as a stitch, and then I will work 1 single crochet on the same stitch, and then I'm going to skip 1 stitch, and on the next stitch I will work 5 double crochets. So once 5 double crochet is worked, I'm going to skip one stitch and work one single crochet on the next stitch, and then we're going to repeat this around. So you have created your first shell. I'm going to skip one stitch and I'm going to work 5 double crochet on the next stitch. And once this 5 double crochet is worked, I'm going to once again skip one stitch and work one single crochet on the next stitch. So this is going to create a very nice shell border for our coaster. So just skip one stitch and work shell stitch, which is 5 double crochet on one stitch, and then skip one stitch and work one single crochet on the next stitch. Repeat this pattern around. I'm going to meet you at the end of this round. So now ideally our round should end by working a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet, but we have one more stitch here since we have 45 stitches. So I'm going to skip one stitch and work one single crochet on my last stitch, and then work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet. So this is not going to show up, this one extra stitch, that's okay. And then you're going to work a slip stitch on top of starting single crochet, and then you can fasten off, work a slip stitch and weave your ends. You're not only going to weave this end, we have lot of odd ends to be weaved at the back. So weave all of them and you can snip off the extra yarn. So I have weaved in the ends, and here is my beautiful heart coaster. I call it as blooming heart coaster. So here I have worked the same pattern in different colors. They all look so pretty. So you can play around with the colors and you'll not be disappointed with the output, because these coasters are going to turn out really pretty. So these are perfect Valentine's Day gift idea, and it's a very quick project as well. If you want a free written pattern of this coaster, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Also, please do not forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching. Bye.